Be very careful with whom you associate with. Because a lot of times, based on the people we associate with, that's how our amal reflects. You know the famous English saying, show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are. Show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are. Birds of a feather flock together. You know, have you seen birds fly? One type of birds fly at the same time together. Be very careful whom you associate with. If you associate with people who only talk dunya, they're in the competition of the dunya, it will automatically reflect from you your dunya. And if you associate with people who remember Allah, who are God conscious of Allah, who talk good things, who remember good things, then it will automatically reflect from you because human beings are good. Other than that, it's very sad that if we die during that process and we did not get time to make what? Tawbah. If we die during that process and we did not get time to make tawbah, you die with the wrong associates, the wrong friends, the wrong people, talking the wrong things, doing the wrong things, saying the wrong things, going the wrong places, and we die without getting the opportunity to make tawbah, repentance to Allah, that could be serious consequences. And I don't like to talk about that. That's in the hands of Allah.